As Omicron surges and schools close because of staffing shortages, new plans are needed to keep kids in class. This is KOAM News at 6. KOAM's Chris Warner paid a visit to one local district working outside the box to fill open positions.
Elementary principal Kirsten Womble says Northeast USD 246 has been struggling with staffing issues like every other district in our area.
It's been a little difficult for us as a small town because we share subs with every district in the area.
But you wouldn't know that if you had paid a visit to one of their schools like we did. That's because everyone is stepping up.
It's been kind of neat seeing teachers that may teach 5th grade or junior high stepping into a kindergarten position for an hour or two. Kindergarten teachers experiencing junior high, experiencing custodial duties. It's been really nice to see them all step up.
They're getting help from beyond the halls of the school.
We actually have 3 parents that have called in and they've signed up to sub for us, which is really nice because they're only subbing for our district.
The superintendent is helping out too by passing out lunch in the cafeteria. Even Womble is lending a hand where needed.
I am an elementary school teacher through and through, and I taught junior high this week, and it was really eye-opening having a totally different age group of kids, along with working in the cafeteria and cleaning up any messes that we needed.
She's not the only one. A number of staff members are filling roles outside their comfort zone, including high school principal Russ Kramer.
I have my CDL and I'm able to drive a bus. This week I've been driving the bus in the morning and the afternoon because we have some bus drivers out.
Kramer says there's a benefit to stepping into something new.
Being able to step in and do a job that you're not normally doing gives you a new appreciation for what other people are doing around.
In Arma, Chris Warner, KOAM News.
Womble says they're going to continue doing everything in their power to keep kids in school and safe.